Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to be making fried pork. It's known in many different cultures and I'm going to show you how we do it in mine. Let's get to it. For this recipe, I need a pound of pork butt, some vinegar, some lime juice, and some water to wash the meat. Some of you guys were asking for measurements. I wrote them down for you guys. Some rosemary, some thyme, parsley, my seasoning, which is on my channel, and spice mix. I need half of a lime juice, some habanero pepper if you like. It's optional if you like it spicy. And some chopped bell peppers. I also need some chopped onion. Once I rinse my meat of the vinegar and lime juice, pat it dry, I started adding my seasoning. I add the lime juice, spices, then it's time to mix. Once your meat is all mixed, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, which is onion, bell peppers, and then the thyme, the parsley, and the rosemary. I'm going to let this marinate for 2 hours because I was short on time, but overnight is always best. Once your meat is marinated, you're going to cook it on medium-high heat for about 50 minutes or so. Once it's all cooked, I'm going to remove my meat from the juices that it's made. So here is my meat that I've removed from the juices. I'm adding some all-purpose flour on them, a trick I learned from my mother-in-law. It's to prevent popping because the pork is fatty in the oil. It's gonna pop and burn you. So I'm going to let my meat cook for a few minutes each side or until they're golden brown. I don't like my meat to be too fried, but because then it's all dry. I prefer it to be like this color brown. And this is it, guys. You have to try this. It's easy, it's flavorful, it's so delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and check out my other videos on my channel.